Feeling overwhelmed by market data? You're not alone. The sheer volume of information can be paralyzing for any investor. But what if AI could do the heavy lifting for you? That's the promise of Kavout AI, a financial research platform we're exploring today. We'll go through its features, discuss its strengths and potential weaknesses, and see if it truly can help you make smarter, more informed investment decisions using the power of machine learning. Kavout AI is an investment analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence and big data to empower decision-making for investors. The cornerstone of its system is the K-score, a machine learning-generated rating that evaluates stocks based on hundreds of data points to produce a score from 1 to 9, intended to forecast future performance. The platform complements this with a dynamic stock screener, enabling users to filter the universe of stocks using various metrics. Additionally, Kavout offers portfolio analytics features that assess your holdings for potential risks and performance attribution. A strong positive is its application of natural language processing to analyze textual data from sources like SEC filings, aiming to extract meaningful signals from news and official documents. This focus on making quantitative analysis accessible is a key selling point. A potential negative, as with many AI systems, is the black box nature, where the exact reasoning behind a specific score isn't explicitly detailed on the site, which may not suit investors who need to understand the precise why behind every recommendation. In essence, Kavout AI is designed for investors and traders who appreciate a systematic, model-based approach to the markets and want to incorporate AI-driven insights to streamline their research and identify opportunities they might have otherwise missed in the vast sea of financial data. Platform offers a free plan and a pro plan with a mention of a premium tier. The current free plan provides 10 research credits per month. The pro plan significantly boosts this to 500 credits per month, which is 50 times more and unlocks exclusive AI tools. These tools include an AI stock picker, expert consensus, smart signals, technical ratings, and live market movers with real-time data. It also provides access to 6 AI research agents covering areas like Congress trades and insider activity across over 11,000 assets. The Pro plan has 2 billing options: a monthly subscription at $20 per month or an annual subscription at $16 per month, which offers a 20% saving. The screenshot also suggests a more powerful premium plan is available for users needing even greater capability. See you later, guys.